If your second-generation Honda CR-V is refusing to fire up, these are the four most likely reasons why. Almost half of all non-starting issues in this era of CR-V come down to simple battery or terminal failure. Before you start buying parts, let's walk through the diagnostic process to find the exact culprit. Start with the basics by checking your gear position and watching for the green immobilizer light on your dash. A single loud click usually points to the starter motor, which is tucked under the intake manifold on these engines. The electrical portion of the ignition switch is a known weak point that can cause intermittent starting issues. While you can easily clean terminals at home, replacing the starter on a K-Series engine is a labor-intensive job. Costs vary wildly, from a $60 relay fix to over $500 for a professional starter replacement. If the fuel pump isn't priming, check the PGMFI main relay behind the glove box for cracked solder joints. Grab a multimeter and a basic socket set to perform most of these diagnostic tests yourself. Remember that a bad ground wire can mimic a dead starter, so always check your connections first. Work through these steps and you will have your CR-V running again in no time. See you in the next one.